The sample test begins with questions that you would have seen, section 1.1. The first one asks, is the given variable qualitative or quantitative? Remember, that means we need to say, does there have a naturally occurring numerical scale beneath it, or is it something that I can just put into categories? Here, the rating of a newly elected politician, I can put into excellent, good, fair, poor, but there's no numerical scale underlying it. For that reason, this would be a qualitative variable. Is the given variable discrete or continuous? Remember, that means, can I have part of a whole? If I can have parts of a whole, it's a continuous variable. If I can only have whole number answers, it's a discrete variable. Number of new cases per year of a certain disease. Either somebody got the disease or they didn't. I can't have half a case in a given year. So the number of new cases per year of a certain disease is a discrete variable. Determine whether the data represent a population or a sample. Remember, the distinction here is a population everybody the researcher would want to study if they could study everybody. A sample, a smaller group from the larger population that the researcher does study to draw conclusions about the larger population. 20 animals are put on a new diet and their weight gain is recorded. They chose 20 animals here, but the assumption is that they're trying to make larger conclusions about what this new diet would do to all animals. So really, the 20 animals don't represent the whole population they're studying, they represent the sample.